Hi, it's Wenza team here. We produce metal cutting tools and specialize on cutting insets made of carbide, CBN, PCD and ceramics. It's hard to imagine CNC machining without these ones, right? So let's dive deep and talk about carbide insets today. If you are a CNC machinist, application engineer, or somehow connected to metalworking, you definitely have worked with carbide as a material. It's the most widespread cutting material in our field. Around 80% of productions use either insets or end mills or tool holders made of carbide. And that's for a number of reasons. Firstly, tungsten carbide is quite hard and durable. This allows carbide cutting tools to withstand high-speed machining and resist wear, making it suitable for machining abrasive materials such as cast iron, stainless steel, and heat-resistant alloys. Secondly, carbide is chemically inert and it does not react with most workpiece materials. This inertness contributes to stability in various machining environments, reducing the likelihood of chemical wear or reactions during cutting. Thirdly, carbide is compatible with various coatings that enhance performance and improve tool life. We at Wenza produce carbide insets using both CVD and PVD technologies. Now let's move to our carbide grades. There are two grades most suitable for machining the SOP group, ferrum base or FB and ferrum speed or FC. They are complemented by multi-layer CVD coating, which improves durability during high-speed machining. Next comes the SOM group of stainless steels, and we present a few grades for machining that kind of materials. They are manufactured using PVD coating technology that offers improved wear resistance and efficiency during machining. Chromium base is suitable both for toning and milling operations. Chromium Advance works well for threading ones. Chromium Generic stands as the first choice for precision machining of stainless steels. Chromium Generic P has the same field of application but is more durable due to the multi-layer coating. And there is a special grade called Chromium Grooving, designed especially for our grooving carbide insets. Of course, we couldn't miss out the SON group. For that one, we have a grade called Aluminium Base. It has ultra-fine matrix that matches with CNC peripheral grinding, ensuring consistently sharp and reliable insets. If you are not sure which one suits you best, let us know in the comments. We've tested all these grades on hundreds of factories around the world and can proudly say that Wenza manufactures efficient carbide insets that equals and outstands the leaders of the global market. Just have a look at these test trials and read our LinkedIn page. Now let's move from this beautiful office to our production facility and talk about the manufacturing process of carbide insets. It all starts from mixing the ingredients to form a composite material. Tungsten carbide serves as the primary reinforcement, while cobalt acts as the binder. Following the mixture, the composite material undergoes compaction through high-pressure presses, resulting in the formation of the initial shape of the carbide inset. Then it goes into an oven for pre-sintering. It's like a warm-up before the action. This helps to get rid of any unwanted components and start sticking the particles together. Now comes the real deal, sintering. The pre-sintered mass goes into a super hot furnace. The temperature here typically ranges from 1300 to 1600 degrees Celsius, where it transforms into a hardened and durable carbide material. After the heat treatment, the carbide is tough but not in the right shape. Now precision grinding comes into play, where it's shaped with utmost accuracy to meet the strict quality standards. Then some carbide insets get an extra layer of coating. These coatings enhance wear resistance and reduce friction, optimizing cutting performance. We usually use such coatings as titanium nitride, titanium carbonitride, aluminum oxide, and more advanced ones, for example, titanium aluminum silicon nitride coating. Finally, these carbide insets undergo quality control measures to a certain compliance with precise specifications and industry standards. This final inspection ensures the reliability of the carbide insets in the demanding machining applications. And now, carbide insets are ready to conquer the world of efficient machining, cutting through tough materials like champions. You already want to try Wenza tools out? We totally get you. You can fill in the form on our website wenza.tech, drop us an email, or simply leave a comment under this video and we'll contact you shortly. That's all for today, and follow for more. Bye bye!